For the following principal angles, find the positive and negative coterminal angles. We know that principal angle is an angle which lies between 0 and 360 degree. Let's get started with this first angle. Given principal angle is equal to 37 degrees. If we need to find out coterminal angle, there is positive coterminal angle and there is a negative coterminal angle. So let's write positive coterminal angle and negative coterminal. If we have 37 degree principal angle, then we can find positive coterminal angle by adding 37 and 360. So 37 degrees plus 360. 360 is a one full turn. If we just move the terminal arm through one complete turn, this would give us the coterminal angle, and this will be equal to 397. And if we subtract 360, we can find the negative coterminal. So let's do the subtraction, and 37 degrees minus 360 would give us minus 323. That would be minus 323 degrees. This will be negative coterminal angle. We can find as many coterminal on positive side as well as on negative side, but we are just answering this question with one positive coterminal and one negative coterminal angle. Let's do the next question. For second question, the given principal angle is, given PA is equal to 220 degrees. Similarly, we can find positive coterminal and negative coterminal. The positive coterminal can be found by adding 360 and negative coterminal can be found by subtracting 360. So 220 degrees plus 360 will give us positive coterminal, and 220 minus 360 will be equal to minus 140, and this will be 580. This is equal to 580 degrees. This is positive coterminal angle and negative coterminal. If we continue adding and subtracting, we can find more and more positive and coterminal angles. Let's do another question in which we will be required to find out the principal angle when given angle is coterminal. So now question number 2, given coterminal angle is equal to minus 1447 degrees, and there is another angle which we'll do as a second part. So let's find out principal angle for this. To find principal angle, we will, if this angle is negative, we will continue to add 360 until this angle gets into the range of 0 to 360 degree. So to find PA, continue to add 360 degree until angle gets into the range, of 0 to 360 degree. Because any angle between 0 to 360 is a principal angle. Angle greater than 360 are coterminal. Angle less than 0 are also coterminal. So let's continue to add minus 14, 47 and add 360. If we add 360 to this, what is that we are going to get is minus 1087. Minus 1087 degrees. But it's still not in the range of 0 to 360. So let's add 360 more. And if we add 360 more, what we will get as a result is minus 727. Minus 727. It's still not in the range 0 to 360, so let's add 360 again, and this time we are going to get minus 367. Minus 367 degrees. We are still not in the range because it's outside minus 360. So we will add one more time 360. We are close but not there yet. So this will give us minus 7 degrees. Minus 7 degrees. And minus 7 degree is still not in that range. So we will add 360 degree more. 360 degree more, and we will get is 353 degrees, which is in the range of, which is in required range of 0 to 360. So it is corresponding principal angle. It is corresponding principal angle, and if we were to find principal angle for second question, find PA for coterminal CT, for coterminal angle, coterminal. Find principal angle for coterminal of 2131 degree. Now this is a positive angle, and we have to bring this angle into the range of 0 to 360. Now we will continue to subtract 360. So it is just like on the line. If this is a line, if this is a line, and no matter how big the angle is, this is the range 0 to 360. If angle is on this side, we got to move it to left. So this will be 360, 360, 360, 360 and 360. We will get this into the range. So this is coterminal angle, coterminal, and this is 360. Each time we subtract until we get into the range. And if the angle is negative angle, whatever is here, coterminal, and we will make jumps of 360 each time until we get into the range of 0 to 360. So this is PA, this is PA, this is 360. So this is how we do, but let's find out coterminal angle of 21, 31. 21, 31, and let's subtract 360 from it, and if we subtract 360, what we are going to get is 1771, 1771, and we again subtract 360, we will get 1411, 1411 degrees, and 1411 minus 360 again, we will get is 1051, 1051 degrees, 360 again, and we can get to 691, 691 degrees, and if we subtract 360 again minus 360, this time we are going to get into 331. 331. 331 is in the range of 0 to 360. So 331 degree is principal angle of 2131 degree, 2131 degrees. But in practice you can just subtract the multiples of 360 and you don't have to do all these calculations. And now there is another question which says find principal angle for each of the following reference angles. I think we should do that in next video.